Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send a snap to everyone at once. Now, if you want to easily and quickly send one photo or a video to all of your friends on Snapchat, there is a trick to do so. I walk you through those steps. Let's open the Snapchat application first. And the easiest way, we are just going to take a quick photo or a video. You have to share this, but it will help us to set everything. Let's hit this next button, and the key here is if every single time you want to send all of your friends, you have to just click every single person. It takes a bit of time, but to be able to send them all of your friends at once, we will create a shortcut. So tap on this shortcut option you can see here, and then hit new shortcut. Now what we are going to do is basically go through that entire list of all of your friends on Snapchat. It might take a bit of time if you have a bunch of your friends, but just go through your list and select everybody on that list. So we have to choose an emoji. So we have to just choose an emoji like I'm going for this emoji here, and then create shortcut. So say I have selected all of my friends on there. It take a bit of upfront work, but now anytime you want to send a snap to everyone at once, you just have to hit this emoji, and you can see these are the friends you want to send the Snapchat, and hit select all. It will automatically select all, and at the bottom right you can just share that everybody at once, so that basically everybody will see that snap. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.